Hello everyone! Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the new blue Timex 1983 E-Line Automatic. The original versions were released in 1983 by Timex and remained a part of their catalog throughout much of the 80s, with the silver tone being known as reference number 34527 and the gold-plated variant as reference number 34627. On later dials, the Timex name was italicized. This new 1983 E-Line series is strikingly similar in appearance to the original, giving it a strong 80s vibe with new added improvements. Due to the shape, watches in similar styles are often referred to as TV dials. I was excited to see that Timex decided to make a new version of their original. Here is a new watch next to an original. The dial features both polished silver tone applied and printed black indices with a smaller, more discreet date window at 3 o'clock. I feel that the new vibrant blue dial adds quite a bit of flair to the retro vibe of this timepiece. Protecting the dial is a flat acrylic crystal similar to that of the original. In contrast to the vintage watch that consisted of a plated base metal case and snapback, this new version features an updated solid stainless steel case with a screwback. This has both a brushed and polished finish, and the case measures at approximately 34 mm with a height of 41 mm. The lug width is 20 mm as opposed to 19 mm on the original. According to Timex's website, this has a water-resistant rating of up to 50 meters. Power in the hands is an 8215 caliber Japanese Miyota 21 joule automatic movement. According to Miyota's website, the movement runs at approximately 21,600 vibrations per hour with up to a 42-hour power reserve when fully wound. It can also be wound by hand and features hacking seconds and a quick date setting so that one can more quickly adjust the time. I consider this to be an upgrade from the original. The watch also features a brushed and polished expansion band with Timex's perfect fit technology. This makes for a much less challenging experience when adjusting the band's size. I feel that the expansion band works with the vintage look of the watch and appears very similar to the original. As far as thoughts go, I am happy with the new retro Timex edition and feel that the overall quality of the watch is great value for the price. I like the turquoise blue dial, the case shape and finish, and the classic dress watch look. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.